Welcome to our channel. Activating your ReliaCard at an ATM is quick and convenient. Here's a simple guide to get your card working. Step 1. Find a nearby ATM that accepts your ReliaCard network. Most major bank ATMs and standalone machines will work with your card. Step 2. Insert your ReliaCard into the ATM's card slot. Ensure the card is properly inserted with the chip or magnetic stripe facing the correct direction. Step 3. Enter the temporary PIN that was provided with your ReliaCard. This PIN is typically included in the envelope or letter that came with your card. Step 4. Follow the ATM's on-screen instructions to activate your card. The process will guide you through each step automatically. Step 5. When prompted, create a new permanent PIN for your ReliaCard. Choose a secure 4-digit code that you'll remember but others can't guess. Step 6. Confirm your new PIN by entering it a second time. Make sure both entries match to complete the PIN setup. Step 7. Complete any remaining prompts on the ATM screen. The machine will confirm when your ReliaCard activation is successful. Step 8. Remove your ReliaCard from the ATM and store it safely. Your card is now active and ready to use for purchases, bill payments, and cash withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.